Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Tesla credentials after app sign out. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Tesla app on your mobile device. If you are signed out, tap on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Tesla account. Next, tap on Next to proceed. Now, enter your password in the provided field. Double-check for any typos before moving forward. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your email or authentication app. Retrieve the verification code sent to you. Enter the code in the designated field of the app. Once entered, tap on Verify to continue. If the code is correct, you will be signed into your account. You will see your Tesla vehicle displayed on the home screen. If you encounter an error, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may need to reset your password if you have forgotten it. To reset, tap on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. Open the email and click on the reset link. Create a new password following the guidelines provided. Return to the Tesla app and sign in with your new credentials. After signing in, confirm that all features are accessible. You are now authenticated and ready to use your Tesla app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.